Morning, everybody. Spencer and me. It's Monday morning, and it's about 6:30, and it's absolutely gorgeous out here. I pinch myself every morning when I wake up, and I get to see where I live. Spencer could really care less. He just wants to go for a walk. And that's what this series is all about. Spencer and me. Life lessons while walking your dog. You know, yesterday Spencer and I were out walking, and I noticed a couple of does about 200 feet in front of us. And they noticed me right away. Their ears were perked up. They were watching me, seeing what I was doing. Actually let me get pretty close. I was kind of surprised. Got to within about 30 feet before one of them moved. Spencer, he actually noticed that they were there. I know he noticed it because his ears perked up. But he didn't care. He just went back to sniffing and peeing. Sometimes I think that's what we need to do. Excuse me, as humans. Don't worry so much about what's going on around us. Just focus on what's in front of us. Every so often it's all right to worry about all that other stuff, but you know, if you worry about it too much, you can lose your focus on life. So just take the opportunity to sniff the ground in front of you. Leave a couple of drops of pee. Let people know you were there. Mind your own business. I'd say that's pretty sage advice, yeah? Now, Spencer and I are going to get back to walking, focusing on where we're going and enjoying the beauty of where we live. So y'all have a fantastic day. Love y'all. Be your best selves. Finish strong, everybody. Cheers.